Saturday morning, while a large majority of the world's population is still negotiating with the snooze button, there is something cool happening in thousands of parks all over the world. It's a park run. Now, clue is in the name. Park run means it's about running in a park, right? Wrong. It's much more than running 5K in a park. Come with me and I'll show you. Running 5 kilometers in one stretch, it's something very simple and straightforward. For those who have done it. For those who have never tried it, it's a daunting prospect. 5 kilometers, man, think about it. In real life, you take a bus for that kind of a distance. Even though I had volunteered at a park run a couple of times before, I had seen people do it, I could not see myself doing it. It was still a scary number. I was worried that I would be so slow that I would look ridiculous still walking around while everybody else had gone home. So I had no plans to try it. Then what happened? My friend happened. My first run was a direct result of my conversation with my friend Anna, who had been running for a while, and she explained to me that it doesn't matter how fast or slow you run, what matters is that you show up. So, I showed up. One Saturday morning, dressed in my finest Saturday casuals and trembling in my sports shoes, I showed up at Sandal Park Parkrun. I won't lie to you, my first run was a torture, a physical torture. I walked about half of it, I huffed and puffed like the wolf, I got a stitch in my side about halfway through, and I sweated like a pig who has just lost a game of squash. But guess what? I finished it. Somehow I went through all 5 of those murderous kilometers and reached the finish line. I wish I could describe it properly, like how it felt to reach that finish line after that 5K run, but I'm not so good with words. Just take it from me that after I crossed that finish line, I was the happiest I had been in a long time. I was so proud of myself. And then comes the best part. After the run, you can bitch about the run with your friends. How hard it was, how you got a stitch, how close you came to collapsing. And they listen and they can appreciate because they have been through that. They have all been there. They have felt all those things that you're feeling now. And they can give you some great tips on dealing with these things in the future. Yes, the future. Would it surprise you to know that I went back the next Saturday to that place of torture? And the Saturday after that? And the Saturday after that? Yes, it's quite addictive. But why? People have different reasons for doing it.
And mainly for mental side of it, and also to keep myself fit.
You get to meet people. It's a good way of spending your Saturday mornings. And you get to meet nice people like you, and these fine people here are all shy. Right, it's great. It's a good way to start your Saturday.
The technical process of parkrun is quite straightforward. You register at parkrun.com and get a barcode. This barcode you bring to the park. On the day, there's a run director who will take care of things. She would give a brief explanation of the whole process to everybody, and then she will say 1, 2, 3, go. At this time, the timekeepers, there are 2 of them, they start the stopwatch in the app. The runners, they all run at different speeds. Some walk and run, some just walk, some run the whole way. But everyone has the same target, get to the finish line. And when you cross the finish line, the timekeepers click you in. At this point, someone gives you a token, which is your position token. Okay. While you're trying to catch your breath and wondering what to do with this piece of cardboard that somebody has handed you, one of the barcode scanners will grab hold of you and they will ask you to show them your barcode that you got from parkrun.com. They will scan that in the app, then they will scan your position token, and this links them in the database. You don't worry about all of that. You just drop the position token in the plastic tub that somebody is holding and you go find your friends.
Well done, Sonny. I think you did right well.
Later, when you're at home feeling pretty good after a shower, you will get an email from Parkrun telling you what your time was today. That's when you stop being afraid of the 5. Can you think to yourself, I can do better than that. Congratulations, you are a runner. That's just the technical process. Within this technical process, there's a whole world of community and support. At every corner of the course, there's a marshal, and each one has their way of motivating and encouraging the runners. Some will clap for you, Some will say, great effort, keep going, well done. Some may give you a high five for your effort. And I have found out that all of this matters. It keeps you going when you feel like collapsing. You can walk or run, be slow or fast. They are not there to judge you. They are there to support you. Would you believe that all of these people, the marshals, the timekeepers, the token handlers, the barcode scanners, the token collector, every single one of them is a volunteer, even the run director. Yes, they come out on a Saturday morning to enable you to run. Your success is their success, and you can see that in their attitude. But why do they do this? Well, they have their reasons.
I think it's just a great way of bonding with the community. You make loads of new friends. It's one of the pillars of well-being, health and well-being. So you're in the fresh air, you're giving to the community, because it's a charitable thing to do. And it's just a fantastic atmosphere every single week. And we meet amazing people like yourself, son.
Thank you.
It gets me out of the house. I don't run anymore. So I like to come and see everyone. It keeps me involved in the running community, even though I don't run. So, and it's just a great atmosphere, and I class everybody as my friends.
I absolutely love parkrun. For me, it provides a safe and welcoming space for people of all ages, all generations, all abilities to come and partake in 5K. And I always think no matter how fast or slow you do it, everybody finishes 5K. And I think on a Saturday morning, that's a tremendous achievement for everybody.
Yeah, so I run most weeks and then volunteer and barcode scanning afterwards. Yeah.
Why do you do it?
Why? Well, one, I like to run. It's nice to get out and run with people, like-minded people. Everyone at parkrun's always really friendly, and it's just nice to have a conversation, have a chat, and enjoy. Yeah.
And we as a runner, we are all thankful for them being there. Without them, it won't be possible.
One thing that my good friend here told me many years ago is I can go out for a run anytime I want in the week.
Yeah.
I only get one chance in the week to come here and be part of the team and help.
It's something that I really enjoy doing with my dad. It's one of the only things that we do together, where it's just us two, father and son bonding time. I've also made so many new friends here, and I also like going to the cafe for a sausage sandwich.
I do it because I lost my daughter through cancer. It was 40 years ago now, and so I collect money for a charity called Rainbow Trust, and so that's why I do it.
I really enjoy volunteering. It's always such a nice, happy atmosphere here at parkrun. But timekeeping feels it feels important. I do get a bit worried about it sometimes.
Yeah.
Feels a big responsibility.
I know when I'm nearing the end and I feel like I can't go on, I'm just running on fumes. I see the friendly faces of the volunteers at the finish line and I feel a bit more confident, like, yeah, I can do this. That support is palpable. And I'm sure others feel the same way. Other runners, I'm sure they feel the same way as well. And when someone hands you a token and says, well done, you cannot feel it. Yeah, believe me, you feel it.
Thank you.
The sum result of this supportive, vibrant, friendly atmosphere is that you keep coming back to the place which at one time you associated with torture. You come and you enjoy it. The runs never become easy, by the way. Oh no, you will never hear a runner say that it was an easy run, even if she's the fastest woman on record.
I feel amazing. I love Saturday mornings. I enjoy getting up. I always feel a bit nervous before I come, but then when I get here and I'm surrounded by lovely people in a beautiful park in the centre of Doncaster, doing a 5K run, everything feels great.
No, the runs never become easy, but you become stronger. It's a challenge every time, but you are capable of meeting that challenge now. And that's what it's all about. Becoming a new and improved you with the lemon fragrance, of course. As I said in the beginning, it's not just about running. It's your physical health, it's your mental health, it's being part of a community, being part of a team, giving back to the community, hanging out with your friends, making new friends, and just improving your overall sense of health and well-being. And if you can do all of that by just giving up 1 hour of your Saturday morning, why won't you?